Hello dear students, welcome to geography class. Chapter number 2, latitudes and longitudes. It's for class 6, part 3. In previous class we have completed some difficult words. So today's topic also same is there, difficult words. Okay, some next difficult words I am continuing in today's class. See student, so first spelling is coming here, today's climate. Climate means havamana. Climate means havamana. So next spelling, tilt. Tilt means what? Ore, or that is slope. So next one, frigid. Frigid means tampu. Next, torrid. Keralidam. And next one, Arctic. Uttara Dhruva. Uttara Dhruva. So next is Antarctic. Next is Antarctic. Dhruva Pradesh. Dhruva Pradesh. So next one, snow. Snow means Hima. Midnight. Madhyaratri. Midnight means Madhyaratri. So next one, temperate. Temperate means Tapamana. And next one, moderate. Madhyama. Madhyama. Slanting. Slanting. Oreyagudu. And next one, Capricorn. Makara Rashi. Makara Rashi. Overhead. Overhead. Netteya mele. ನೆತ್ತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಎವೋಪರೇಷನ್. ಎವೋಪರೇಷನ್ ಆವಿಯಾಗುವಿಕೆ. ಆವಿಯಾಗುವಿಕೆ. ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆಂಟ್. ಆಗಾಗ್ಗೆ. Frequent, agage. Measurement. Measurement, alate. Okay students, see here in today's topic, difficult words. So today's first spelling is the climate. Climate means havamana. So spell it student. C-L-I-M-A-T-E. Climate. Climate means havamana. It's a Kannada meaning havamana. So next spelling tilt, T-I-L-T, tilt. Tilt means ore. Ore means what? Slope. So, ore means slope. It is known as tilt. Okay. So, next spelling, frigid. Frigid. Frigid means tampu. Frigid means what, student? Tampu. Spell it, student. F-R-I-G-I-D. Frigid. Frigid means tampu. Next one, torrid. Torrid means keralida. Spell it. T-O-R-R-I-D. Torrid. Torrid means keralida. Next one, Arctic. Arctic means Uttara Dhruva. Arctic means what? Uttara Dhruva. So next one, Antarctic. Antarctic means Dhruva Pradesha. Dhruva Pradesha. See here. So Arctic, Uttara Pradesha, spell it, student, this word. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic, Uttara Dhruva. Next one, Antarctic. Spell it. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C. Antarctic. Antarctic means Dhruva Pradesha. So next spelling, snow. Snow means Hima. Snow means what? Hima. Spell it, student, this word. S-N-O-W. Snow. Snow means what? Hima. So next spelling, midnight. Midnight means Madhyaratri. So this word you spell it M-I-D, mid. N-I-G-H-T, night. Midnight. Midnight means Madhyaratri. So next one, temperate. Temperate means Tapamana. Temperate means what? Tapamana. See, students, spell it. T-E-M-P-E-R-A-T-E. Temperate. Temperate means Tapamana. So next spelling, moderate. Moderate means Madhyama. Moderate means what? Madhyama. Spell it, student. M-O-D-E-R-A-T-E. Moderate. Moderate means Madhyama. And next spelling, slanting. Slanting means Oreyagudu. Slanting means what? Oreyagudu. Spell it, student. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting. Slanting means Oreyagudu. Next one, Capricorn. Capricorn means Makara Rashi. Spell it, this word. C-A-P-R-I-C-O-N. Capricorn. Capricorn means Makara Rashi. Capricorn means Makara Rashi. So next one, Overhead. Overhead means Netteya Mele. Overhead means what? Netteya Mele. Spell it. O-V-E-R-H-E-A-D. Overhead. Overhead means Netteya Mele. So next spelling, evaporation. Evaporation means Aviyaguvike. Spell it. E-V-A-P-O-R-A-T-I-O-N. Evaporation means ಆವಿಯಾಗುವಿಕೆ. So next one, frequent. Frequent means ಆಗಾಗ್ಗೆ. Spell it. F-R-E-Q-U-E-N-T. Frequent. ಆಗಾಗ್ಗೆ. So next spelling, measurement. Measurement means ಅಳತೆ. Spell it. M-E-A-S-U-R-M-E-N-T. Measurement means ಅಳತೆ. So once again I repeating. Climate, ಹವಾಮಾನ. Tilt, ಓರೆ. Slope, frigid, ತಂಪು. Torrid, ಕೆರಳಿದ. Arctic, ಉತ್ತರ ಧ್ರುವ. Antarctic, ಧ್ರುವ ಪ್ರದೇಶ. Snow, ಹಿಮ. Midnight, ಮಧ್ಯರಾತ್ರಿ. Temperate, ತಾಪಮಾನ. Moderate, ಮಧ್ಯಮ. Slanting, ಓರೆಯಾಗುವುದು. Capricorn, ಮಕರ ರಾಶಿ. Overhead, ನೆತ್ತೆಯ ಮೇಲೆ. Evaporation, ಆವಿಯಾಗುವಿಕೆ. Frequent, ಆಗಾಗ್ಗೆ. Measurement, ಅಳತೆ. See here again next phalanx continuing. See here student. So next one. Next spellings are there. International. International. अंतरराष्ट्रीय. अंतरराष्ट्रीय. Agreement, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. Astronomical. Astronomical, ಖಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ. ಖಗೋಳ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ. Observatory. Observatory. ವೀಕ್ಷಣಾಲಯ. ವೀಕ್ಷಣಾಲಯ. Assigned. ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Semicircle. Semicircle. ಅರೆವೃತ್ತ. ಅರೆವೃತ್ತ. See student, next spellings. International, अंतरराष्ट्रीय. Spell it. INTERNATIONAL. International. International means what? अंतरराष्ट्रीय. So next one, agreement. Agreement means ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. Spell it. AGREEMENT. Agreement. Agreement means ಒಪ್ಪಂದ. And next one, astronomical. Astronomical means ಖಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ. Spell it student. ASTRONOMICAL. Astronomical means ಖಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ. Next spelling, observatory. Observatory means Vikshanalayam. OB SE RV AT ORY. Observatory means Vikshanalayam. Assigned. Assigned means ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Spell it. ASSIGNED. Assigned means ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. Next, semicircle. Semicircle means ಅರೆ ವೃತ್ತ. SEMICIRCLE. Semicircle means ಅರೆ ವೃತ್ತ. So once again I repeating. International, ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ, agreement, ಒಪ್ಪಂದ, astronomical, ಖಗೋಳಶಾಸ್ತ್ರೀಯ, observatory, ವೀಕ್ಷಣಾಲಯ, assigned, ನಿಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ, semicircle, ಅರೆ ವೃತ್ತ. Okay student, some few spellings are there, that only I am continuing. Next, see here. Okay, next spelling, converge. Converge, ಒಮ್ಮುಖವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. ಒಮ್ಮುಖವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. Next spelling, approximately. Approximately means ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು. ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು. And next one, midday. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. Concluded. Concluded. ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದೆ. ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದೆ. And next one, meridiem. Meridiem. Meridiem, ನಡು ಹಗಲಿನ. ನಡು ಹಗಲಿನ. Okay student, next spellings, converge. Converge means ಒಮ್ಮುಖವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. Spell it. CONVERGE. Converge, ಒಮ್ಮುಖವಾಗುತ್ತವೆ. So next spelling, approximately, ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು. APPROXIMATELY. Approximately means ಸರಿಸುಮಾರು. Next one, midday. Midday means ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. MIDDAY. Midday, ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ. So next one, concluded, ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದೆ. Spell it. CONCLUDED. ತೀರ್ಮಾನಿಸಿದೆ. So next one, meridiem, ನಡು ಹಗುಲಿನ. ನಡು ಹಗಲಿನ. MERIDIEM. Meridiem. Meridiem means ನಡು ಹಗಲಿನ. Okay student, here spellings completed in today's class. Okay, you do it, you write it, neat handwriting. Handwriting should be neat. So you behead the spellings also. So when you are completing writing, you send it my WhatsApp number. So today's topic, difficult words, completed. Also part 3 also completed. So next part I am continuing in next class. Thank you.